Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful jasmine gajra. Before get started, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so making this beautiful jasmine gajra, we will use these yarns and a 3mm hook and a pair of scissors. Okay, let's get started. So making this beautiful gajra, we will use this acrylic yarn as the stem of the gajra and this cotton yarn as a jasmine flower. So let's get started. First we will make a slip knot in the hook like this. Now we will do chain 150. 1 2 3 4 5. After finishing the chain, we will come back. We will do same simple chain 150 chain. After finishing 150 chain, we will come back. 6. So here we have finished our 150 chain. Now we will do half double crochet in the every single stitch. Skip one and do in the second stitch a half double crochet like this. We will do half double crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row. After finishing this row, we will come back. Here we have finished our half double crochet row all along the way. Now we will cut the yarn. Now we will start doing the jasmine flower bud here. First we will attach the white yarn. Now we will attach the yarn in the second stitch. We will skip the first stitch because here we will attach the thread for holding the garland. Now we will attach the yarn in the second stitch here like this. Now we will do chain 3 2 3. Now we will do 5 double crochet in the same chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we will pull the yarn like this. Now we will put the hook through the first 3 chain at the top of the 3 chain and grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the loop like this. And we have made our first bud of the jasmine flower. Now we will make chain 3 and make a slip stitch at the same stitch at the base. Now we will slip stitch in the next stitch. Now we will do chain 3. Now we will do 5 double crochet in the same stitch exactly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have finished our 5 double crochet. Pull the yarn and put the hook through the top of the 3 chain and grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the loop like this. Now we will do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch at the same stitch like this. Here we have make our second jasmine bud. Now we will do same jasmine bud all along the way in every stitch. In every single stitch we will do one single jasmine bud all along the way in the same way. First we will do chain 3, 5 double crochet, then make the popcorn stitch and then slip stitch at the same stitch, exactly like this. Chain 3, make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pull the yarn and now chain 3 and slip stitch at the base of the same stitch. Now we will do same jasmine flower but all along the way. After finishing the stitch we will come back. Here you can see that after doing the popcorn stitch in every single stitches, the jasmine flower are getting into a thick shape and becoming spiral like this. You have to twist it like this and it become thick. So we are doing same popcorn stitch in every single stitch all along the way till the end of the row. After finishing the garland we will come back. So here we have finished our gajra like this. You can leave this gajra as it is, or if you want to add some more popcorn stitch in this another side of the gajra for making this gajra more thick and beautiful, then you can add. I want to add this side of popcorn stitch, so here we will add the popcorn stitch. For adding the popcorn stitch we will first attach the yarn. For adding the popcorn stitch you have to first slip stitch in the yarn and put the hook through the second stitch, leave the first stitch and put the hook in the second stitch. We will add the thread for hanging this gajra, so we will leave this first stitch. Here we will add the thread. In the second stitch we are adding the thread like this. Now we will do 3 chain stitch and now we will do popcorn stitch. For making popcorn stitch, you know, we will do 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will pull the yarn and put the hook through the first 3 chain and pull the yarn in between this, and we have finished our first popcorn stitch. Now we will make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and slip stitch at the base of the same stitch like this. Here we have attached our second popcorn stitch, first popcorn stitch in the second row. Now we will do all along the row. Here same popcorn stitch in every single stitches, here and here, exactly in the same way. Like first we will make chain 3, then 6 double crochet in the same chain, same space, and put the hook through the third chain of the first 3 chain, and now we will make chain 3 and slip stitch at the base of the popcorn stitch like this. And we will do same all along the row until the end of this gajra. After finishing this, we will come back. So here we have almost finished the row of popcorn stitches. Here we have left just 2 stitches. We will do this chain 1 2 3 and 6 double crochet. Now pull the yarn and put it through the first double crochet, then chain 3 and slip stitch in the base of the same stitch. Again chain 3, now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Here we have finished the gajra. Here you can look this gajra, how beautiful it looks like, exactly like jasmine flower. You can use it in your bun or hair accessories, as your hair accessories. You can use it as your hair accessories or use it in a beautiful garland, whatever you want. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.